This video is going to show you how I was able to create this knotted headband using woven fabric, in this case Ankara fabric. If you'd like to find out how I made it, keep on watching. So in order to grab a copy of the template or pattern that was used to create this headband, you need to click on the link in the description box below to get yourself a copy. The password to my resource library will be sent to you, and then you'll be able to download one of these for yourself. This is for woven fabrics. If you want to make these knotted headbands using stretch fabrics in my resource library, you'll be able to get yourself a separate template. They work differently. Hello, I'm Juliet Uzor of SoSoNatural.com, and if you are interested in making your own clothes, owning your style and showcasing them fearlessly and shamelessly for everyone to see, then this is the right channel for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's dive right into how I made this headband. So for this project, all you need is woven fabric scraps and a very plain headband. That's all you need. And you would definitely need the template. And what you need to do is get started by cutting out your fabric pieces. So the next thing to do is to sew down the two long edges, the small strips. Those need to create a channel for your plastic headband to fit in. And after sewing down both sides of the strips, you then need to sew down the two headband pieces together with the right sides facing each other. See, I am going around, and then when I get to the other opening, I would leave it open in order to turn the fabric around. So when I turn my fabric out to the right side, I am going to have to make sure that all the edges are nicely smoothed out. I'm gently making sure that my seams are nice and flat. Then take it to the pressing iron. After pressing it, go ahead and tie a very loose knot, but do ensure that the flat side of the knot becomes the back of the headband.
Bata Bata is the name of the dance we do down Johannesburg way.
So, at the wrong side of the knot, you need to create 2 holes, but those holes need to be beneath the flat part of the knot. Feed in your headband through the channel that was created earlier. Gently ease your way in through that channel. Then pass the other end of the headband through the flat part of the knot. And then pass the other part of the headband through the second hole that was created earlier on. Ensure that the headband actually goes through the channel that was sewed earlier on. Make sure it gets all the way to the end of the headband and then pull through the opened part of the headband.
And everybody starts to move.
When the headband fabric is nicely pulled over, you then need to hand sew the opening. All you need are a quick few hidden stitches to close the opening. When the opening is completely closed, you then need to gradually take your time to smooth out the knots that you created and make sure that it's opened out nicely and it covers up every single part of the original headband inside the woven fabric. I am really pleased that I was able to figure out how to turn this idea into templates, and I'm glad that I'm able to share it with you. So do not forget to click on the link in the description box below, and the password to my resource library will be directly sent to your email inbox. So watch these playlists for more creative sewing ideas, tips and tricks, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. All the best. Bye.